Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list and finding the contact which you'd like to edit. Then let's tap on this edit icon. And let me quickly remove the photo, so simply tap on Add Picture. Now you can choose something from device photos. You can open your own gallery or open the camera app immediately and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. In Google Photos, you've got your backed up photos. You can also use monograms, so just the first letter of the name or surname, or you can tap on it and change it. It's totally up to you. You can also change the background colors and the font, or illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have a photo of this person, you can try to find something interesting right here. So let me choose maybe this one, basically if you're choosing the photo or the illustration, you will be able to zoom it in or out. You can change the position of it. You can also change the size of this highlighted circle, and basically thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. So this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.